Hey everybody, hope you're good. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Abby. If you're new around here, welcome. So today I will be talking about my Glossybox, which I received for the month of June. And this is what it looks like. And if you're new to Glossybox rather, Glossybox is a subscription service where you get a mixture of beauty and skincare products. You pay monthly or quarterly or yearly. All the information will be in my description box because I never really remember them. But yeah, so if you're not new, you already know what this is. I will be doing an unboxing and I will be talking about the products I have received in my Glossybox for the month of June. So I have actually had this with me for about 2 days now. I've just been so busy. Haven't had a chance to get this up, so I thought I would record this while the house is quiet. Everybody has gone to bed and it's just me, myself in my Glossybox. So I thought this might be the best chance to do this. So I haven't seen any other videos of from anybody else, so I don't know what's in here. All I do know is my box is suspiciously light this time around, so I don't know what that's about. So hopefully there'll be some good things in here and not just a whole bunch of samples. But yeah, so without further ado, this is what Glossybox looks like. And sometimes you do get special edition boxes here and there, but mostly you tend to get this standard box. And this is what we have inside. So the theme, we get a theme every single month. So the theme here is World of Beauty. And it says, hey Glossies, this month we're bringing the world to you. Hailing products from LA, Dubai and Australia, our June edit features 5 beauty essentials from far and wide. Without even having to leave the comfort of your own home, you can explore an unrivaled variety of makeup and skincare from across the globe. Of course, we've added some homegrown favorites into. There's a whole world of beauty waiting for you inside your box, so let's take a peek. So, oh, okay. Do you know what? I forgot about this. So the first thing we got was a product from Huda Beauty. I think that was in the sneak peek from last month. So every month you get a sneak peek of the next month's, like one of the key products in the next month's box. I actually do like the paper that they've used. It's like little, you know, drawings of famous places. Okay, so this is the product from Huda Beauty. So this is the Lifeliner and it's very Vanta, it's called. So it says, brought to you by Iraqi American beauty guru Huda Katan. This dual-ended eyeliner boasts a liquid liner on one and a creamy pencil on the other to help you to achieve the ultimate eye look. Better yet, both are waterproof, smudge-proof and really long-lasting. Line the liquid side onto your lid to create a wing, then apply the pencil along your lash and waterline for extra drama. RRP £18. So yeah, that sounds about right for something from Huda Beauty. Her products are quite expensive for what they are, and this is full size as well. So I will definitely be doing a little demo with this in another video coming up at some point. And very Vanta, I don't know if that's the name or the name of the color. It just says extreme black on here. So the packaging has a teeny bit of weight to it, but it's made of plastic. Oh, actually, I was trying to pull it. So this part is the liquid eyeliner, and it is very, very black, as they say. And the tip as well. It's so weird recording from my phone. I'm actually recording this on my phone, so it's hard to look in this tiny corner here. But yeah, this is what the tip looks like. And is this a pull or turn? Oh, pull, right. And this is like the kohl eyeliner. And it is also just as black. So that's the that's this, and then that's the liquid eyeliner. So it looks promising. And yeah, I do trust this brand in terms of like the intenseness of their product. Like the powder looks like it's full coverage, the foundation is full coverage, heavily scented. This I know is probably going to last me all day, and I'm going to have a hard time trying to remove it. But it's already dried instantly. You know, good luck to you if you make a mistake while drawing your eyeliner, because this stuff is dry and smudge proof already within a matter of seconds. That must be like the fastest drying eyeliner I've ever tried. Anyway, next we have something from the Vintage Cosmetic Company, and this is the makeup removing cloth. Okay, right, so we get two options. So we have the what is this, leopard print and zebra print, and it's cute packaging. It says you get 25% off with the code WILD25, and it expires on the 31st of December 2020. So that is the code WILD25, WILD25, if you wanted to purchase from them. So this is cute. Oh, actually you get two, not an option. This is nice. You can never have too many makeup removing cloths. I already use a cloth like this every day. I've got like a 5-pack that I bought from Amazon, and it's great. I don't use it on its own like you're supposed to, like, you know, they say you can, like, oh you just add a bit of water and all your makeup comes off. No, I use this with cleanser, but it does make my life a lot easier than using like a normal flannel. And also I find that makeup comes off these cloths a lot more easily than like a white flannel. A normal flannel will get stained with makeup, whereas these magic makeup removing cloths, something's on them. I don't know what it is. It's something to do with the microfiber. Makeup doesn't stain them as much, so that's definitely something I appreciate. So that's I like. And this is, I didn't even read the caption, so it says, inspired by the elegant style of the 1950s, British brand The Vintage Cosmetic Company brings you an eco-friendly reusable makeup removing cloth that cleanses and exfoliates your skin too. So wet your cloth and glide the side with the short fibers over your skin to cleanse and remove makeup, or use the other side to exfoliate your complexion. No cleansing lotion required. Ah, okay, so there's two sides to them. That's why you should read your little pamphlet. Right. Okay, this side feels soft, and this side feels soft too, but not as fluffy soft, if that makes sense. So yeah, they don't like, it's not like a case of one feeling hard and the other feeling soft. They both sides feel soft. The next item is a product from LA Splash Cosmetics, and that is these two eyeshadow brushes, I believe. Yeah, so one is a setting brush and the other is a defining brush. And this is what the back looks like, and this is what the front looks like. So I can use one for my eyebrow, that's for sure. And the brush feels really good. It feels really soft. I'm not a brush connoisseur by any means, so I can't tell you whether or not this is going to last. I've never used anything from LA Splash before, but it feels soft enough, and it looks like it's a good affordable brand. So that's good. So this brush set, it says, founded in the same city as Hollywood, you can be sure that LA Splash is all about glitz and glamour. That's why their two eyeshadow brushes are perfect for creating red carpet ready looks. Use the fluffy one to blend, and build your eyeshadow. Then use the densely packed angled one to sweep on eyeliner or smudge out your waterline. RRP £15. I found that very hard to believe that it's £15 for two brushes, but yeah, anyway, it's £15. And then next we have something from Model Coral. So Model Coral is a brand we usually get in these subscription boxes. I really should start practicing how to say subscription. I can't say it. Subscription boxes. Flipping it. So this is a liquid metal eyeshadow. So it says, coming to you from the land down under, this creamy liquid eyeshadow boasts a highly pigmented formula that will coat your eyelids in an iridescent, sparkly glow. So use the cushion top to apply it along your lash line and create a precise winged eye, or sweep it across your whole lid and blend it out for an all-over glitter effect. RRP £15. So this is the product in question. I think we've had a product similar to this from the brand Bella Pierre, which features in Glossybox's boxes a lot. So yeah, this is very similar to another product we received from Bella Pierre. So it's like a bronze, a coppery gold. I'm tempted to, shall I open it? I don't want to swatch it just in case I don't like it, but yeah. So you get a little doe foot. I have no use for it right now, so I might just depop this, I don't know. But it seems like it's an okay product, and a lot of the products I've received from Model Co have actually been good as well, so I've actually had an issue with anything from Model Co, so it's been good enough. And then lastly, we have something from the brand Beautinique Beauty. So it says Garden Angel Eye Mask. Okay, so that's this. So it's conceptualized in the streets of London. Beautinique Beauty is a plant-based, cruelty-free and natural skincare brand, and you're going to love their invigorating eye patches. Infused with green tea, hyaluronic acid, cucumber and rose extract. This will help to soothe and brighten tired-looking eyes. Simply apply the patches under your eyes for 15 minutes after cleansing and toning, then peel them off. RRP £5. So that is everything that we have received. So I feel like between I mean, to be honest, in terms of everything that we've had, the only thing that's kind of, I feel like what am I trying to say, the Huda Beauty eyeliner is basically taken over the whole budget for this box, hence why it felt so light. I'm a little disappointed, to be honest. I feel like this might be the only thing worth mentioning. I mean, this is cute. I like this. Something like this would be fine, especially during lockdown. If I have like the living room to myself, I can pop this on my eyes and, you know, watch some TV, catch up on some shows while the house is quiet, so that kind of thing. But apart from that, and maybe if I'm stretching it, maybe the liquid metal eyeshadow and perhaps the makeup removing cloths. In fact, maybe if I was to choose anything from here that I was excited to use, it would definitely be the eyeliner set and the makeup removing cloths, but I already have something like this, so it's not new to me. So yeah, I will say I'm kind of half disappointed, half meh. You know, some of these products are meh. Like I don't need this. I have a ton of brushes, ton of eyeshadow brushes that I could use. I don't need this. I could do without the Garden Angel eye patch thingamabob. And equally I could actually do without this as well, because I already have a 5-pack. But I mean, it's cute, it's whatever. Really, the thing that wiped out the budget clearly was a Huda Beauty eyeliner duo. And yeah, so I'm a bit disappointed with this month's box. Actually, I was actually looking forward to it. I think given the fact that actually no, I had last month's box. It was April's box that went missing. So yeah, I feel like I missed out on something, and yes, I'm still trying to play catch up, but definitely feel like the previous month's box was better, way better than this month. This month was light and I had good reason to be suspicious basically, but anywho, so that was everything we got. So some months are good, some months are bad. As you can see, this month is a bit meh, but hopefully the next month will be very good. And actually, hopefully Feel Unique will bring back their sampling service, and I could order another, you know, sample pouch thing, and do a video on the new set of samples from Feel Unique, because I really like that. I think I actually prefer that to my Glossybox. But yeah, we'll wait and see whether or not they actually bring it back. But that is the end of this video without me rambling on too much. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Did you get a Glossybox? And what you thought of it. Yeah, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you in my next video. Stay blessed. Have a great morning, afternoon, evening, or night, wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. If you are new, hope you will come back and watch another video of mine. I will leave links to the next videos that you can watch, and if you're not new, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.